Okay, a lot of students ask me, how can I make isometric drawings from here? And some of the students making like this, and some of the dot lines, whatever. Okay, that's not the isometric drawing. The reason for that is we say 30 degrees tilting up. If I draw a line from there, for this line there, they should tilting up 30 degrees. And for this line, the same, 30 degrees. Maybe from here is correct. So let's checking on here. So if I check on this, 30 degree, that's correct. That's no problem. Okay, that's not the issue, but the other side, you should tilting up 30 degrees as well. That's not the problems. It's a hidden line. Some people put dot lines there. Some people put many lines in there. But 3D, you cannot see something behind, isn't it? So what we do is use the trim function to trim something behind that you cannot see it. That should be most sufficient. There's a line missing from there too. So that should be the one. However, we need to tilting up 30 degrees. Okay, so let's do it. That's my X line. And the middle one, no, I'll just start from here. That's my Y line, X and Y. And then you have a Z. Isometric drawing, I tell you, always we have 30 degrees. So one line there, turn off this one. And doesn't matter how far I want to go. I just tap it, you put 30. So that's a 30 degree. So enter, and then I enter again to start the second one. So if I want to do from 180 to 30 degrees, so that on the other side is 150. Tap it, 150. And enter. This two line is indicated, this line, and then the material thickness, which is you cannot see it. So let's start doing this one, 140. First, I would like to do all these lines because they are the reference line. I change the property and I would like to choose the red color, 140. So I come to here and I not drawn there, just get a reference same angle and I say 140 and then enter. Yeah, it stops there. I don't worry about the thickness for now. You don't have to worry. This one from here to there is a 255. So coming here, that's straight line, that's very easy, 255. That's finish from this point to there. That's finish from this point to there. However, this corner, you shouldn't have any lines in there. It's just showing the 60 degrees and 40 in here, 80 in there, 55 in there. And so that's 200 up to there. And then you got 45 degrees. So that means chamfer from this point, from this edge here and there, 55. Okay. What I do is I like to select this one and copy. I use this reference point to go in there and then enter because they are parallel. And then I go to, just go to copy, enter, and then I get a reference point and jump to there. It is a full version of this face. And now we need to cut off this one. For cutting off this one, this is a 40. Let's draw a 40 in there. So I get a reference point, I put 40 and enter. It stops there. If this is 60 degree, we're going to work out this, how much from here to there. Okay, if I go to the measure, distance, say this point to this point there, it's 69,282. 69.282, and then enter. So I stop there, found the one from the other side, join together and escape. All right, so that's the one. That's this corner. Already we work out. Now we start to work out this corner. 55, alpha. I got going down, 55. All right, enter. And then I go this one to there, I say 55, and enter. And then I find this point to join together, and enter. So these two corners, we can cut out now. Go to trim function, just writing through. I just write through. So that looks funny. However, so this is isometric drawings. I go from here to there, enter. So I draw the reference line. I draw a line from here to there because I want to allocate this circle in there. But this time you don't use a circle because they're turning. You cannot see it. You only see oval from there, here. So this one there, I go to the middle point. When you're turning around this way, you're going to be X going to be reduced. The Y will be still the same. So 80, I put with 70. And then 40. Yep, it's like this. And then you get this one off. We finish this. What I do is select these two. We don't need this one now. We just remove, and then I select the whole thing. The thickness of the material is 12 millimeter. So you need to do 12 from here to there. Copy, and then my reference point there, and I move to 12. And then I tap it, and I say 30 degrees, and enter. So that's finished. We don't need the reference points. Okay, so now, so that's the one. You put 30 degrees, you put everything down. However, you need to join all the lines wherever you can see it. So this one there, enter, and then this one in there, enter. Yeah, that's it. Whatever you cannot see, you need to remove that. For example, this one just deleted. This one deleted. Only this one left. So this one, what you cannot see is behind, something behind. So that's the one. That's the finished view. The other one is actually the same principle. You can draw a line there as a X. And then you got a Y there, enter. And then you have a line in there and tap it, tap 30. A line there, and I say tap 150. You can draw the line 140, exactly the same. So change this one to red color. I can go to property, color. And then I get line 140. So this one to there, 140, tap. So they stop there. So that's the one for this line. Up to the top is 140. So first thing, you need to draw something like a plate. 140 in there. Again, I do the same thing. I just copy. I would like to do copy reference point from there to here. And then enter, copy again, select this one, copy, and use this reference point. And enter. Okay, now outline has been done. This corner, you don't need to change anything. This corner, you need to round it. 35, feel it. 35 from there to somewhere down. If I going down, I say 35, no change. Again, this one is a reduce. Reduce. How much reduce? 30% of 35, 24.5. 24.5 in there. So you got this one and you got this one. And now I can use the arc, I can use the polyline, whatever suitable for me. Yeah, I got 2 points and the direction. That's it. All right. So that's it. Not over. Little bit over now. Little bit over now. You don't need to over because they never can do over. Bring it back a little bit. So that's 1. 2 is coming down. Same thing. R35 from the corner. So you got Y never change. 35. Okay. This one there has been changed from 35. You only reduce 30%. So that's 24.5 in there. Right. Enter and same thing. Start and direction. So this time is bending in, and then this corner 35 again. So do the same thing. This one there going up, say 35, no change. From here, this direction, 24.5. The arc start and direction. Direction is coming out. Here, you see sometimes you see more than this line, which is no good. You need to push back. That's it. Okay, finally, you need to trim out. Trim this out. Trim this out. Oh. They trim everything out. Just go through. Yeah. Don't worry. Just, if they trim out everything, you don't need to worry about. Okay. So this line should be out and these 2 lines out. And just if the straight line, there's no problem at all. Enter, select all, and then copy. And then that's your reference point. Just go into somewhere and say 12 million. And then tap. At the moment it's 42. You put 30 in there. Yeah, enter again. And use the line to join all the points together. For this one there, get line and type in TAN, tangent, enter, and then tangent to here. And then you go into here and say TAN, enter. And then you tangent to here. Enter. Whatever in here, you should be not needed. Not sure this one where they're coming from. And same as here. I want a tangent from there. So TAN. And you're going to tangent from here to there. And then TAN again. Enter. And now that, see, that's before. That's the line before. That's the line after. You need to cover this area. Trim this out. That should be the finished view. Thank you for watching.